Hello, happy friends. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making a Western style flower arrangement in a wooden box. This is a small table flower arrangement and it has to be viewed from the front. Soak floral foam in water. We are using a wet floral foam to hold the flowers. Protect the base of the wooden container with some plastic paper. Now fix the floral foam inside the box. The height of the foam should be half to 1 inch above the base of the container. Now trim the extra plastic papers. Now start arranging the leaves. I am covering the backside with some leaves of mother-in-law's tongue. The foam should not be visible, so cover the front portion of the foam with some small leaves. I'm using some gerbera as my focal flowers. I will show you how to wire them and use it in the arrangement. I'm using gerbera as my focal flower. You can use even roses and sunflower. They will also look so beautiful. If you want to bring texture to the arrangement, we have to use 2-3 variety of flowers. I'm adding some eucalyptus leaves to get a beautiful smell. Our arrangement is ready to display now. This arrangement has to be viewed from the front. This is a beautiful table arrangement to welcome your guests. Thanks for watching.